The next one is the side channel attack. So we understood in the previous domain as well, side channel attack is not a intrusive attack. That means we are not going and playing with the device directly. Instead, for example, what we will do, there is a plain text and then some kind of key used for that, and some kind of encryption happen, and then the encrypted text is produced. We are not going to interfere in this process at all, right? Instead of that, we may put in some kind of device which is very nearby to this particular chip, and that is able to provide us how much the power consumed by the chip, how much the fault information is there, like if anything goes wrong, then how that is being, how much time it is consuming to actually rectify that, and then timing information, how much time it is taking for each and every character to be encrypted. Okay, so we are not going intrusive, but we are actually trying to identify these parameters, and then based on these parameters some kind of analysis happens, and then we are able to recover the key. That is what is the side channel attack. Let's see a practical example of it. This is some kind of chip which is using AES 128-bit, and it is under attack. So the attacker has put in some kind of electromagnetic probe, maybe nearby to the system, or maybe by inducing a particular hardware nearby, and then this particular electromagnetic probe will send signals, or maybe it is wirely connected through some kind of system wherein you are able to identify the patterns here, right? And then those patterns are then converted into some kind of keys, whatever keys are being used. Okay, so the moment the right key is kind of identified, the system will inform you that this is now broken. As simple as that. So this is what is a side channel attack. So a very common attack you will find as a side channel attack can be somebody, when you go to your ATM machine, and somebody try to put in some kind of device there which will try to capture maybe the dynamics of how the ATM is actually encrypting or decrypting, those kind of things, and then attacker make use of that, do some analysis and find out the key, right? That's one way of doing it.